Hey there, welcome to Draw with DG, where we bring sketches to life. Today, we are mastering the art of etching, a simple technique with powerful results. If you're ready to turn lines into layers of depth and detail, let's get started. We are going to create some beautiful shading today, using nothing but lines. Yes, just lines, I mean etching. If you think about it, life is kind of like that. It's all these little moments that comes together and make something meaningful. In this case, though, it's going to be an high, and not just an high, the high of someone who knows a thing or two about looking deep into your soul. So here is the fun part. By the end of this video, I want you to guess who I am drawing. If you can guess who it is by the end of this video, comment below and let me know. And here is the kicker. The first 5 people to guess correctly will get a free drawing from me. Yes, free. No drama, just art. I mean it. I will announce the winner in the next video, so stick around. Now here is another hint for you. Check up on the left side of the screen, you see the eye I am working on. That's another hint for you. Try to figure it out. Let's talk about etching. Actually, I talked about this method in my last video, where I talk about types of techniques, shading techniques, different types of shading techniques you can work on. It's a full-length video, a step-by-step video I did about it. So I'm gonna talk a little about etching. In the video, I mentioned everything you need to know about drawing, shading, so you can go check it out and you're going to learn a lot more about etching. But let me give you a brief explanation about etching here. So etching is a straightforward technique. It's about drawing thin lines close together, and as you keep adding more, you build up darker areas and shadow. One cool thing about etching is that it makes your art feel real. It's not about perfection, it's about creating texture with each stroke. Think of like leveling up a video game. You start with the basics, and with a bit of time and patience, you will unlock all the details that make the final picture pop. And if your lines are not perfectly straight, that's okay. No one's out here is measuring your stroke with a ruler. Besides, imperfection are what makes art interesting. Kind of like those weird but funny moments when you accidentally text the wrong person or trip over nothing in front of a crowd. We've all been there, right? Alright, back to the guessing game. If you are still on the fence about who this might be, here's another clue. She's been known to turn any stage into her own personal playground, and she got a voice that you feel in your bones. I mean, she got that rare ability to make you feel all the feels, you know? Don't be afraid to play around with your arching. Don't be scared. Experiment with the spacing, the direction, the pressure. It's all about making the drawing your own. You're not just copying reality, you're adding your own touch, your own interpretation. That's what makes art personal, and that's why I love it. If you are feeling like your drawing doesn't look quite right, don't stress. Don't stress yourself. Arching isn't about perfection, it's about expression. Keep going, layer those lines, and trust the process. The beauty lies in the small details that add up over time. Just like any good story, it's all about the journey. Now, before we wrap up, remember, arching isn't just about filling in space. It's about creating light, shadow, depth. It's kind of like turning a flat image into something that pops, something that feels real. And with enough practice, you can take your drawing to a whole new level. And hey, if you are still figuring it out, don't stress. We all start from somewhere. The key to keep drawing, keep experimenting, and mostly importantly, have fun with it. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this little adventure in arching and want more drawing challenges, tips and fun, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that like button, leave a comment and share your thoughts. I've got more coming your way and you definitely don't want to miss what's next. Thanks for hanging out with me today. This is Draw with Deji saying keep those pencils sharp, and I will catch you in the next video. Oh, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can know the winner. See you soon.